One of the most amazing advances in embroidery is software that allows you to turn photographs into beautifully embroidered creations. Software like PE Design Next from Brother makes this possible by converting photos into digitized files that can be exported to your embroidery machine, where print memories are then stitched out in the colors of your choice. This video will take you through the step-by-step process of PhotoStitch file conversion, so your memories can take on a life of their own. Open Layout and Editing. When the wizard appears, click New. You could choose the image to stitch Wizard, but the design page you used last will be selected, and you may wish to have a larger size design page. Click on the Design Settings tool and choose the hoop size for your project. You will achieve the best results by choosing a design page size of 130 by 180 millimeters or larger. Click on the Image tab. Click on the Open Image icon and locate the photograph you wish to use. The photograph used in this lesson is located in My Documents, PE Design Next, Sample, Layout and Editing, PhotoStitch, Tropical Fish. Click on PhotoStitch 1 and then choose Color. The next window that appears is a cropping window. It allows you to add various frames to the areas you wish to stitch, or crop around the design to choose only the enclosed portion to stitch. On the left-hand side of the window, you will see the cropping frame options. As you scroll the cropping masks to select from, you will see how the shape appears around the picture in the center. The star mask will allow you to crop around only the area you wish to embroider. When you select the star mask, an edit point will appear in each of the four corners of the picture. I find it easiest to move those 4 edit points inward so that I can see where they are and not accidentally leave them in the corner. To crop around the picture, you click on the line to insert an edit point and then drag it to the outside edge of the area you wish to stitch. Continue adding editing points around the fish until you have it totally enclosed. If you need to zoom in on an area, the Zoom slide bar is at the right side of the Select Mask window. When you zoom in on the picture, the slide bars at the right and bottom allow you to maneuver around the picture while still zoomed in on the picture. When you have areas that you wish to be more defined, click on the Image Tune button. In the Image Tune window, you can adjust the sharpness of a picture. This is helpful for creating detail. You may also adjust the brightness and contrast of the picture. In the example we are using today, only the sharpness of the picture has been adjusted. The changes that need to be made will depend on your image. When your image is adjusted, click OK. Click Next. The window that appears allows you to check to see if the cropping needs to be adjusted. If the cropping needs to be adjusted, click Previous and the mask window will reappear and adjustments to the cropping can be made. When you are satisfied, click Next again. The Check Mask Shape Modify Image window also allows you to adjust the size of the image. You can click on the Fit to Page button, and the image will fit to the design page size. You may also pull the image from the corners to size it manually. I'm going to click Fit to Page. Click Next. You are now in the PhotoStitch 1 Parameters window. In the Sewing Options area of the window, the first item that can be changed is Detail. The range is Coarse to Fine. The default setting is in the center. Moving the bar toward Coarse reduces the density of the design and therefore reduces some of the detail. Moving the bar toward Fine increases the density of the design and therefore increases the amount of detail. Be aware that sliding the bar toward Fine increases the stitch count of the embroidery. Each time you make an adjustment, click Update Preview to see the change applied. The next area that can be adjusted is the run pitch of the design. This is the stitch length. The shorter the stitch, the more detail you will see. Keep in mind, shortening the run pitch increases the stitch count of the embroidery. The check mark in front of Sew Page Color usually should be kept in place. Otherwise, if you have white in your design, that color will not embroider. In the Conversion Priority area, the options are Stitch Quality and Jump Stitch Reduction. If you want the most detail in your PhotoStitch, leave the setting at Stitch Quality. If you wish to reduce the amount of jump stitches, place a dot in front of Jump Stitch Reduction. Keep in mind as you make an adjustment, in order to see the change, you must click Update Preview. The image type options are Photo and Cartoon. Photo gives the most realistic photo stitch. Cartoon puts the colors in blocks of color instead of weaving them together. The Add Mask Outline will add an outline stitch around the design. In the Color Options area, you can auto-select or manually select colors. To manually select colors, remove the check mark in front of Auto Select and click on the Manual Select button. On the left side, you can choose the color list to choose the colors from, and then click on a color and click Add to the Use Color List. The colors will be added to the list by intensity of color, not the order you select them. I'm going to allow the software to automatically select my colors. So I'm going to click Cancel and return the check mark in front of Auto Select. If you wish to try a different thread chart, choose it from the pull-down menu and choose Update Preview. The software defaults to selecting 10 colors. If you have a very detailed color photo, you'll want to increase the max number of colors and click Update Preview until the photo stitch is appealing. There is also a Select From Candidates button that will give you 6 choices of the photo stitch to choose from. Select the photo stitch you prefer and click OK. You may manually adjust the brightness and contrast bars if you wish. Each time you make a change, you will need to click on the Update Preview button. The brightness and contrast are automatically adjusted to preset levels when you choose Select from Candidates. When the photo stitch is appealing to you, click the Finish button. If you wish to change a color in the PhotoStitch, you may select the color segment in the Sewing Order window, and then change the color on the Color tab in the Integrated Sewing Attributes window. I'm going to scroll down to the Outline Stitch color and change it to a blue that matches the fish. At the bottom of the Color window, the colors used in the design are listed. Click on the color tile you wish to apply to the outline stitch. This is an easy way to color match. From the Flower pull-down menu, choose Save As. Choose a location to save the design, name it, and click Save. To send the design to the embroidery machine, click on the Home tab and then click the Send tool. Choose the method to send the design: send to USB media, send to your machine, write to card, or link. Only the methods you have connected will be active.